Hi, Dave Friedman, Hardwood Floor Finishing 101. In this video we refinish a 1960s oak floor, sand and refinished with 3 coats of semi-gloss polyurethane. So stick around and we'll show you how we did it. For this job, we'll be using Fabulon semi-gloss. I've provided links to everything I used in this video in the description below. So just a little background story on this job. So this is just a straight sand and refinish. Standard red oak, 3/8 thick. I don't know, it's a 60-year-old house approximately. And so we've already finished the sanding. And we're going to put 3 coats of polyurethane on here, semi-gloss. So just give you a look to where we are at this point, and I'm going to shut the camera off and finish off the job, and then I'll give you a quick overall look when I'm done. First coat done. We'll be back tomorrow for a second coat. So we're back here the second day. First coat's dry. It's looking pretty good. So with the Fabulon, the first coat, it seals the floor. And so another thing that happens is the grain gets raised. Right, so it's quite coarse. And we're going to screen sand the floor, vacuum and then tack it. So after the first coat's been applied, you notice that it's quite coarse, right? The grain gets raised from the urethane. So with the Fabulon, it seals the floor after that first coat. That's really the sealing coat. So we apply a nice liberal coat there, and you know, so it seals it and gives us a good base. So now I'm going to screen sand with the 180 grit square buff and vacuum and tack, and we'll apply the second coat. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Screen sand done. Vacuuming done. Time to give it a wipe. Second coat done. We're going to go through the same process as we did yesterday, and we're going to apply the third and final coat. All in all, the job's looking really good.